So last time we have stopped on this tool which is called sweep. Okay, and if we open sweep surface definition, we can see here profile types. There are a lot of profile types. The first one is explicit, the second one is line, the third is circle, and the third one is conic. So we have already looked at this explicit type profile, and here we have looked at all three methods of creating a surface. So, and on the line profile type, we have also looked at some methods of creating surface, two limits, limits with in middle, and so on. And since we are not going to use all of these methods to create surfaces, we will mm, we, we just switched into circle profile type. Okay, and we already have looked at the three guides method of creating sweep surface. So what was that? We need okay, to create a sweep surface using this method, we need to create first three guide curves. Okay, let's create them using sketch. So I click on sketch icon and select XY plane as a sketch base. So let's say the first line is going to be something like this. Okay, I exit sketch workbench and I'm going to create another sketch also on XY plane. Okay, and the second curve will be something like maybe this. Okay, and I'm going to create another sketch on this plane, which is ZX, and the sketch will be maybe something like this. Okay, uh, so I'm going to create a sweep with the method three guides using these three curves. So the first curve is this one, let's say, which is sketch 1. The second curve will be sketch 2, and the third curve will be sketch 3. Okay, so if I click on preview, we can see here a surface created using these three curves. Okay, so we can create a surface like this, maybe like this. Why? Okay, why this surface is created like this? It depends on which sketch I select first. Okay, if I just switch sketch 1 and sketch 3 between each other, okay, sketch 3 instead of sketch 1, sketch 1 instead of sketch 3, and try to click on preview. Actually, I have the same result, but somewhere, I'm sure, somewhere I should have some kind of arrow. It should be created on another side. Okay, let me just look at this. Okay, actually the results should be the same. There is no other result. Okay, because there is only one result that we can have if we want to create a circle using 3 points. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the result should be only one. Okay, so I just click on OK, and I assume that this method of creating sweep surface is understandable for you. Uh, Big John, mm, anaqa mute qilib qo'ygin, okay? So another method of creating sweep. After center and radius method, I have here two guides and tangency surface, one guide and tangency surface, and so on. So let's look at one of them. I just click on cancel here. I maybe delete this sweep 4, delete this sketch 4, sketch 6, and also I'm gonna delete this sketch 4. I don't need that. Okay, and think uh, I think I create a surface using this extrude. Okay, for this let's create a sketch on YZ plane, and my sketch will be something maybe like this. Okay, exit sketch workbench, and uh, I'm gonna create an extrude. So let's make its dimension about maybe 100. Is it enough? No, it's not enough. Maybe 200, and on another direction, the dimension will be, let's say, 20. Okay, something like this. So for now, I select sketch 3 and make it hidden, and sketch 2, make it hidden. So, and I open sweep, select here, let's say, one guide and tangency surface. As a one guide, I'm going to select this sketch 4. As a tangency surface, I select this one. Okay, and try to click on preview. Here there is also a radius. Okay, and try to click on preview, and as you can see here, I have created a surface which is actually tangency to this surface, and it has a radius of 60 millimeters. Okay, and it is goes through this sketch 1. This is sketch 1. Okay, and I click on OK. So I think we can stop here. Uh, we can stop here to learn sweep surfaces. I mean, to learn to create surfaces using this sweep definition. Okay, and we can switch into this operations toolbar. Okay, so now I think we can continue to we can continue our lesson, and we switch to operations toolbar. Okay, so I just delete this sweep 5, extrude 1. Okay, maybe even sketch 7. Can I left this? No, I'm gonna I just delete all this, and maybe I make shown this too. Okay, so the first tool is a join tool. Join tool is used, as you probably know. I think you know. Join tool is used to join two or more independent curves or independent surfaces as one, okay? And create a surface or a single surface or a single curve. So let's try to use join to create one independent curve using maybe these three. Most probably you understand it is impossible. It is impossible. Why? Because they are not connected anywhere. But let's try it. Okay? Join. I select this sketch 1 or maybe sketch 3 in my case, and another sketch, and maybe even this one. And if I click on OK, I have an error message because these lines or curves are not uh, 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 intersect or join anywhere. Okay, I click on OK and I have a message, error message. So I just click on no and I just click on cancel. So instead of this, I start to create lines between these endpoints of these lines. Okay, I click on line here on wireframe toolbar. I select the point-to-point method of creating line. As a first point, maybe I select this point. As a second point, I select maybe this point. Okay, and just click on OK. For now, I think I make hidden this sketch too. Okay, and I create another line on the other side of these two sketches. Okay, something like this. So, and now I can create, I can join these four lines. I click on a join icon, and here on this list, I add step by step this one, sketch 1, line 1, sketch 3, and line 3. And I click on OK. So I have here a newly created join. Actually, as you can see here, join has nothing other than this merging distance as 0.001 millimeters, and other elements, sketch 1, sketch 3, line 1, and line 3 are now hidden. So that means over this sketch 1, sketch 3, line 1, and line 3, software creates another set of curves and join them automatically. So if I uh, okay, mm, okay, so uh, we can continue. I can use this join tool to join also surfaces, some surfaces. Okay, now I think I can stop here.